Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are learning about innovation management. These are the slides for the innovation management, and it is the introduction of innovation. What is an innovation? It is an idea, practice, or object that is perceived as new by an individual or other unit of adoption. Basically, innovation is something which is perceived by everyone that it is new in the market, and we haven't seen anything before like this. It is the use of new knowledge to offer a new product or service that the customers want, or it is the use of new knowledge, new information that is accepted by the people, that is knowledge. First of all, we have information, then it is converted into the knowledge after we discover, or we accept the information, that is knowledge. When we use new knowledge to offer a new product or service that the customers want, thus it is invention plus commercialization. Firstly, we invent something which is a product or service that is new in the market, which is invention plus commercialization. Commercialization, we introduce it into the market. So basically, invention plus commercialization is innovation. Innovation is a search for and the discovery, developed, improvement, adoption, and commercialization of the new processes, new products, and new organization structures and procedures. These are three definitions from which you can know about what is an innovation. So basically, innovation is a search for. What is innovation? What which we search for, and a discovery what is new, developed, uh, um, research, and researched, improved adoption. We adopt that particular product, and commercialization, and then we introduce it into the market. These are the new processes, or these are the new products or new services or new organization structures and procedures. Innovation, what is desirable to users? Firstly, we research what the consumer needs, what is desired by the user, what is viable in the marketplace, what should be new in the marketplace, and what will be accepted by the people in the market. What is possible with technology, what we can do with the technology. So basically, innovation is divided into three parts. Now we have three questions about innovations. Characteristic of innovation: there is an object or target which is being changed. There is an object or target, there is a product or service or object or target which is being changed. Which is being changed, which it is easily explained. It can be a product, a process, an individual's lifestyle, an organization strategy, a society culture. Innovation vary in extent or magnitude, include example degree to which one deviates from the past. It is closely related to problem solving, since generation and implementation of ideas for changing never transpire without difficulty. A final characteristic is the impact of the change, the significance or range of its effect. So basically, these are the characteristics of innovation. These are very easy. Difference between innovation and invention. Now basically, there is a difference between invention and innovation. Invention, it's creation of new product, service, or process. Invention is a creation, we create something new, product, service, or process. It is the introduction. Innovation is the introduction which we introduce into the new market, new product, processes, or services to the marketplace. Invention is the creation, innovation is the introduction. Invention may not be commercialized. Invention may not be introduced into the market, but the innovation result into commercialization. A product is introduced into the market. It can be autonomous or induced. It can be autonomous or induced. It is usually induced. Can be for the economic or non-economic motive. Invention can be for the economic or non-economic motive, but the innovation is for the economic motive. Usually restricted to R&D center. It is restricted. Invention is restricted or bounded to R&D center, research and development centers. It is spread. Innovation is spread across the organization. May bring few changes in the organization. Invention may bring a few changes in the organization. Innovation brings a huge change, or it brings a whole organizational change. Invention precedes innovation, and innovation succeeds invention. Why innovate? Turbulent and rapidly changing economy. Now, why innovate the product or service into the market or the procedure into the market? Why innovate? Turbulent and rapidly changing economy. Because of the rapidly changing economy, the changes we are facing in the economy, otherwise their otherwise their survival chances are seriously threatened. Otherwise, the product will be seriously threatened in the market, that the people will not accept the product or purchase the product. Organization prepare themselves to innovate on a continuing basis. Organization are ready to change the product or service on a continuing basis, so that the product can be purchased by the consumer, or it is not or and it will be accepted by the consumer. Goals of innovation: improving quality. Goals of innovation: improving quality, creation of new market, extension of the product range, reducing labor cost, improving production process, reducing material, reducing environmental damage, replacement of product services, reducing energy consumption, conformance to regulations. Now, sources of innovation: organizational structure, long tenure in management, slack resources, inter-unit communications. Now, organizational structure. Organic structure positively influence the innovation. Organic structure always positively influence the innovation, as there is a lower vertical differentiation, formalization, centralization. Organic organization facilitates the flexibility, adaptation, and cross-fertilization. Long tenure in management. Managerial tenure apparently provides legitimacy and knowledge of how to accomplish a task and obtain desired outcomes. Slack resources. Having an abundance of resources allows an organization to afford to purchase innovation, bear the cost of instituting innovation, and absorb failures. Inter-unit communications. Innovation organizations are higher user of committees, task forces, cross-functional teams that facilitates interaction across departmental lines.